Okay, it's time for another AI case study. Now, if you've been following along, the last case study took 12 weeks to get that channel monetized using AI. More recently, I'm sure you've seen videos like these. I'll put a little thing up on the screen for you. They're blowing up absolutely everywhere. And because I've been moving the office around, I mean, look, I've still got lights here. I'm still in the middle of trying to sort everything out. Because we're still in the middle of sorting all of this out, I've been looking into a lot of faceless content and faceless, opportunities of earning online. So, as part of that, I set up this channel over here, which I'm going to share with you in a second, and then I'll show you the process for this. Now, this AI channel is not going to be using syllabi, which we used in the last case study. For this one, we're going to be using Google VO3. So let's minimize the screen. I'll show you the numbers to start with, and then I'll go through the process and show you how I'm creating these videos. Okay, so this is the channel, okay? And you can see on here the number of views that we've had. It says the last 28 days, but you can see when we started uploading and where we're up to, okay? So in the last 48 hours, I mean, look at this. In the last 48 hours, the numbers on this channel are absolutely flying. This is the channel. It's called Time Travel Reporter. And you can see here when we started uploading. So we uploaded this video and a couple more. And then I run out of Google VO3 credits because essentially, not many people know this. You can actually get Google VO3 absolutely for free. You can trial it for free, and then there's loads of more different ways you can actually get access to this. We cover all of that over in Faceless Freedom. So if you are in Faceless Freedom, you can just simply go over to Next Level AI Videos, to setup, and it walks you through that, okay? So this is the channel. And literally, you can see we just uploaded a video yesterday on this. So I'm just going to share with you some of the numbers, and I'll share with you the process of how we're creating this video. I mean, look at that video there. A 1 minute video, 15,000 views, 183 hours in watch time, and 117 subscribers. And all of that traffic is predominantly coming from Google. It's coming from over here. Sorry, YouTube. It's coming from the browse features. So it's pretty good. I'll show you the reach, i.e. the click-through rate. So it's got a 7.1% click-through rate. It was a bit higher, but then YouTube started showing it to more people and that minimized it, and obviously it brought it down a little bit. But 7% click-through rate is pretty solid with this method, okay? So how are we doing this? What's the process and other bits? So a second ago, I showed you inside of here. So we've been testing this out because originally we was looking at videos over here using different images to videos and other bits. So like with this method over here, this is where you would take an image, you would go over to a piece of software, add motion to it, and then you can make short format videos and long format videos in all different categories and niches. So with this one over here, this Google VO3, I've been playing around with 3 different ones. So we've got the Star Trooper ones, we've got the animal vlogs like this, and then we've got the news reporters. So the news reporter is essentially what this channel is all about over here. And this is the process, okay? So the first part of it is we'd need a prompt to put into Google Flow. So if I come over here, this is how it looks inside of here. So you can see this is where we're creating the videos. Now, for the actual prompts, I am using ChatGPT, and I've already given it a set of commands and instructions for it to follow. So this is it, okay? So we've just finished one video. So now I'm going to say, great, let's move on to a new one, onto a new video. And it should come back to me and give me some suggestions. It better come back to me and give me some suggestions. Oh, look at that. We've got a few. So let's go with Medieval Plague Times, Samurai Japan. Let's go with this one, okay, for the video. So this is it. So I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to go with that one. Type in thanks. And then it's going to think about it, and it's going to give me the prompt. And then I'm going to take the prompt from the updated memory, and then I'm going to go over into Google Flow and put this in, okay? So you can see here, this is it. This is my prompt. And it's given me my FX and my style and everything else. So all I'm doing here is I'm taking that prompt, and if you scroll down, you'll see it's asking me if I'm ready for number 2. We'll come back to that. So we take the prompt. We'll go over to Google Flow over here. Now with this, don't do this mistake. You see down here it says VO2. You don't want that. It's rubbish. You go over here. You go to VO3 Fast Text to Video, okay? And then you can change the outputs, you can have multiple outputs, but for this we're only using one output. And then I'm just going to paste my prompt into here like so. So that is all my prompts, just double checking this. Why I'm checking this as well is, it's a bit of a nightmare doing it live, why I'm checking this is, at this moment in time with VO3, the video clips that it creates are only 8 seconds long. So with this, you want to be checking out here. So for example, with the reporter, where the reporter's talking, you don't want it to be too long, because if it's over 8 seconds, obviously it won't work. So we're going to hit on enter. And then what happens is it goes ahead and it creates that scene in the video, okay? So whilst that's now doing this, we then go back over to ChatGPT and we say, ready for scene 2? Yes, please. Yes, please. And then it'll give me my next one and go along and along, etc. Now for this, now just so you know, if you're wondering why there's swearing in here, the reporter is in the theme of Deadpool, okay? So that's why there's swearing in there. You can have it however you like, by the way, okay? So reporter, this. Okay, so all I do here is I just copy this like so. Take that, and then we'll go back over into here, into our, oh no we don't. We'll come over here, we'll click on the tab, and I'm going to click on here and paste it into here like so. And that is it all done. Hit on the enter button, and then it just pops off and it goes in, and then it creates it. So for this case study over here, this channel, this one, all of the videos are over a minute long. We've been doing it for a minute long. Why, you may ask? Well, the reason is we're taking the videos from here and we're also putting them onto TikTok. And the plan is with the TikTok account, once it hits the requirements to go into the creator program, you only earn money on videos that are over a minute long. So doing it this way, we're taking one video, we're putting it on YouTube, we're putting it on TikTok, and touch wood, once it's monetized on both accounts, we'll be earning money that way, okay? So that's why the videos are a minute long. Now, if we come back over here into the actual channel, you'll see in the last 28 days, this is a number of videos. This, I mean, it's crazy because, like, so this video, we uploaded that last night, but before this, you can see we hadn't uploaded since the 16th of June. And then look at the numbers. It just started going crazy. Absolutely crazy. It's awesome. It really is. So let's go back over here into Flow. Now you can see down here, this one is our first video done. So let's click on play and hopefully you can hear it.
Reporting live from medieval Europe, where everything smells like boiled socks and everyone's dying. Fantastic. Reporting live.
So that is the first scene within that video. So once that is done, we'd then come on here and then we would download the video, and then we'd go to the next one. Again, we'd just double check it. So let's just double check it now.
So you're telling me the cure is flowers in a bird mask? That's your whole medical degree?
Lavender wards off the bad humors.
Right. I'm gonna go die in a corner instead. So you're telling.
So you can see we've got these two. So then we'd just do the process of going over to ChatGPT, getting the rest of these videos, and then once we've got that, we just simply download them and put them all together in a video editor. I'm using CapCut, and it does the process for us. And that's it. So with regards to this channel over here, we'll continue doing this. I'll do an update on this probably in a week or so for you. And then we're going to look at some of the other stuff inside of here. So for example, the Stormtroopers, we're currently testing that out over on TikTok. Animal vlogs we're looking into, and we're just going to start adding in a few more things down here. So again, if you are in Faceless Freedom, you just simply click on the prompts to use. It'll open it up into a new tab for you like this, and then you've got all of your prompts inside of here, prompts one, etc. And just go through and create your videos that way. So yeah, quick update for you on this. It looks absolutely awesome, and if the numbers continue going the way I think they can do, this has the potential to earn some pretty decent money. So yeah, any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon.